I fell apart 1,000 times.
Good morning, everybody. We are thankful to be rolling out of here this morning, and while we were happy to have a place to stay last night, I think everyone is glad to be on the road because it was light and loud last night. But today we are going to another waterfall and we're going to go explore a volcano. So come along with us and it's going to be a good day.
So afraid of getting lost. Tell me where you going with my heart. I say where you going, where you going, where you going with my heart.
So we're about 30 minutes on the road from Egilsstadir. I know I'm saying that wrong, but I checked the wind app, and I mean it says it's only at about 5 to 8 meters per second, which doesn't seem bad because this has a 15 meter per second warning on these larger campers, but it's moving me all over the place. So just so you know, if you are starting to head north, it is all just, you're in a wind valley and it is blowing all over the place. It is very scary. Take your time. It does not matter how much longer you have to take in order to get there. Just get there alive. So we have an hour and 23 more minutes of this. We'll probably be stopping a lot and with a lot of cars passing me. But at least we get to look at good waterfalls when we stop. So that's a positive. Woohoo!
Well, you already had impaired vision.
Well, I already have impaired vision. Now it's just even worse. And it wouldn't be so bad if like the roads didn't sit like 10 feet above the actual surface of the rest of the ground.
Yeah, why do you think they do that?
I don't know. And there's no shoulder.
No shoulder.
Oh, straight over rapid water.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh my goodness.
Why does the wind look worse?
Oh
My gosh.
Oh! Oh! All right, we are huddling at the back of our RV. First of all, I want to say that was the scariest drive I've ever been a part of in my entire life. That was 2 hours of white knuckle, just gripping the wheel, trying to stay on the road. But we can explain more of that later. We are at Dettifoss right now. This is the second largest waterfall by volume of water coming over it in all of the European area. So I don't know how that's even possible, because if you look around right now, there's no mountains, there's nothing. Supposedly this was caused about 2,500 years ago by a volcanic eruption, and it's what created this massive water flow. And you can see it is pretty desolate around here. I'm guessing this was all caused by massive earthquakes and volcanoes and who knows. So let's go check it out. We probably won't be able to say much just because
The wind.
it's really windy. So
I'm gonna have to get sunglasses. Stuff keeps blowing in my eyes.
okay, so let's go check it out. This is the only place where the wind is a little bit better.
I don't think it's gonna get better.
It doesn't matter. We just saw Dettifoss,
I'm trying so hard to walk.
and now we're gonna go over and check out Selfoss and see which one is better. Still windy. So while the wind is down, Lou, what do you think? What would you recommend if people only had one waterfall to go see and they're here? Would it be Was it
Dettifoss
dental floss
Selfoss?
or selfless? So
It depends on what you're expecting. I would say the first one, the Dettifoss, was cool
power.
because it was powerful and you could see the rainbow.
You could feel it.
I would say that one's a little bit more of a hike. This one is not as powerful, but it's like, I guess, I don't
More
want to say
picturesque.
prettier. You have more waterfalls that just are a little, obviously it's powerful, but they look a little daintier compared to the other one. There wasn't as many people there. And like you don't have to like hike all the way up to the like top to see it. So maybe this one.
Okay. Well, enough of the waterfall business. We are going to head out and we're going to go see some volcanoes.
I want to go get coffee.
And coffee. So welcome to the next stop on the journey. We're doing it again behind the camper because the wind is so bad. This is Hverir. I'm saying that wrong. Hverir. But this is sitting inside of the volcanic system in the northern area of Iceland. And what you're going to see, first of all, you can't smell. It smells very sulfuric, rotten eggs, big time. But one of the things that you're going to see is that you're going to see a lot of mud pots, you're going to see water, and what that does is it's because the water travels over 1,000 meters into the ground, is heated up by the volcanic activity, and it comes up at about 200 degrees Celsius. So, oh man, that's really strong.
It's so stinky.
It's really stinky, but let's see if it's worth the visit. So let's go check it out. It smells like fireworks on the 4th of July.
Ricordi?
Ooh, do you feel that steam when it comes up?
Oh wow, yeah, that's hot. Oh.
Look at it.
Smells so stinky. Dirk's living his best life. Photographing.
It's not bad.
It's kind of bad. On a scale of 1 to 10,
I would switch it around.
1 being, I think it was skippable, 10 being, yeah, that was cool, you absolutely need to do it, it's a must, like, stop. I'm gonna rate that like a 2 or a 3. What would you rate it?
It's probably about a 3.
It's stinky. Really stinky. And I don't know if it's just today or it's like this all the time, but it's been so windy. Like, incredibly windy. I think Dirk liked it more than I did. Right, Dirk?
I love smelly farts.
That was so stinky. Now we're headed to the volcano, and I hope it smells better. Interesting fact about a lot of the things around here is you have to pay to park. So there's real no clear like instructions about it, but when you pull into the parking lot for places like a lot of the glaciers, the hikes, the different mountains, the different stops, there's a place where you walk up and type in your license plate number and be prepared to pay anywhere from, like, in American dollars it's anywhere from $4 to $7, $8. They take the picture of your license plate when you enter the parking lot, and so they'll know if you pay or not.
I'm not paying.
That's the exit.
So we're stopping off at, this is the Game of Thrones cave. So supposedly there was a scene here that was filmed on Game of Thrones. Probably not an appropriate one. I don't know. I haven't seen it.
I know, I've seen it.
Look, you can see how. So it goes in and to the left though. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look at how, like with the light, what that does with the blue. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. And honestly, they said this is 200 degrees Celsius, so if you fall in, you will die.
It's hot?
Yes.
I can feel the steam coming up.
I know. It's not 200 degrees Celsius. That's got to be like from an earthquake or an eruption where it literally just split the earth in two.
You would think so.
We're heading to a volcano. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blow. All right, it's time to head up to a volcano. I'm the only one that wanted to do it, but I always wanted to say I wanted to walk on a volcano, so I'm gonna check one off my list today. A little steeper once you get up here, and windier too. Well, that's where I've come from. I would say I'm halfway up right now. But it does seem to get steeper the more you go up. A long, long time ago, there was a volcano. All alone in the middle of the sea. Say it's almost as difficult going down as it is going up. It's slippery, plus the wind is pushing you down the hill. It was awesome. I got to stand on a volcano.
Was it worth the hike?
Lava? Did you see
No. It's enclosed. You can tell where the spout, where it came up, and you can see where like the cone just kind of went right back in. It just filled itself back in.
It was worth that hike?
Yeah, it's worth. I mean, it's worth it to say that you stood on top of a volcano. I mean, that's pretty cool.
Was it windy?
It's very windy. Last waterfall of the day. This one is called Godafoss. I think so. I don't know. They kind of all blend together, at least name-wise, but they all look very different. So we're gonna walk down and we're gonna check this out. Last waterfall, and then I think I promised pizza tonight. So hopefully we can find that afterwards. Let's go check this out.
I fell apart 1,000 times. I'm tired of thinking it's raining, but something in your eyes is shining on me. You say it's time to let go. I say, where you going with my heart? I'm so afraid of getting lost. Tell me where you going with my heart. I say, where you going? Where you going?
Lucy has something profound that she would like to say.
It's not profound, but I'm just saying, let this be your reminder that you can also experience beautiful moments for yourself too. It's okay to shut off the camera, turn off your phone, not get a picture, not get a video, and just take a moment, take a deep breath and appreciate it for yourself to create a memory. When I was standing up there, I took the pictures, I took the videos, and I turned it off and I said, I just need to appreciate this for myself too. Okay. And so that's what I'm encouraging people to do. Are we walking with it?
Sure, I think those are wise words.
Lost all meaning. You said things I want to trust. I said, where you going with my heart? I still believe in us. Tell me where you going with my heart? I said, where you going? I said, where you going? Where you going with my heart? I said, where you going? I said, where you going? Where you going with my heart? I said, where you going? I said, where you going? Where you going with my heart? I said, where you going? I said, where you going? Where you going with my heart?
I finally had a chance to sit down and relax and enjoy. This is called a margarita pizza, and that's just cheese. So, but it's really, really good, and I'm glad sometimes you just need a little taste of home when you're away from it.
Current situation to try to keep the wind from getting my ears. She's cute. The pumpkin and orange marshmallow look is in
The walking cone.
the walking traffic cone.
Oh.
Look, the stoplight is literally a heart.
Oh, Arlie,
How was it?
you would have fallen in.
I would have.
It would have picked you up in the air and just launched you into the water.
That's not very kind of you. Let me get the camera.
That wind was so strong.
It's stinky. Really stinky. Smells so stinky.
So, oh man, that's really strong.
It's so stinky.
It's really, really stinky.